What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abby. So if you're new to my channel, kindly come in and make sure that you're subscribed, because this channel is literally the plug, the information, the tea, everything you're gonna get on this channel, including some fun as well. Yes, I can be fun too. Anyway, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to edit a very high quality video for your YouTube channel using your mobile phone. So I know some of you think that you need to have a laptop or some very extensive, very complicated software to edit a perfect YouTube video, and that's not entirely true. You actually can edit your videos on your mobile phone. So there's this app that I use to edit my YouTube videos, and most of my videos I actually edit on my phone because I find them more convenient and easier to use. So this app is really great. Like, it has everything that you might need for your YouTube video, including stickers, text, animations, everything. I can actually export your video in 4K as well, which is really amazing, being able to edit to export your video in 4K. So the app that I'm talking about, drum roll please, is VLLO. So this app, I don't know if it's pronounced VLLO, but I just think, it's like an abbreviation for something, but I call it VLU. So this app is really great. You can find it on App Store. I'm not entirely sure if it's on Google Play Store, but if it is, I'll find the link. I'll put it below. Where you can use other apps as well, like InShot or CapCut. They're also really great. But today we're focusing on VLLO, and I'm just gonna be taking you through some of the features, the amazing tips and tricks that you can use on this app. So if you're interested in finding out more about this app, come with me and let's go right into this video. So to download the VLLO app, so just go and type in VLLO on your app store and you should be able to find the app. So it's a free to use app, but there's some features that you might need to purchase, but overall it's a very great app. So once you have the app and you've downloaded the app, and you just open the app, and then you can now import the video or videos that you want to edit. So once you've imported your video into VLLO, this is what the screen looks like. So this were all the controls. So this is where you get your audio, your sticker, text, PIP, which is picture in picture, and filter. So this is where you add filters or adjustments. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is how to trim your video. So if you want to trim out some parts of the video that you don't like or you don't need the video, so you can just drag the clip a bit forward and then you can click on from now. So I find this really nice and cool, because sometimes you have to sort of like trim it by yourself with your fingers and then you make a lot of mistakes. But with this, you just drag it and then you click on from now. Or if you want the video to end at a particular point, you can say until now. Or you can split the video up. If you want to split it up, maybe there's a part that you want to use separately for something else, then you can split them up. So that's that with trimming. And then if you want to crop your video, you can use these green arrows right here on the screen, and then you can just drag and crop the video. Another way you can crop your video is by going to resize, and you can actually move the video however you want. You can change the size of it, so it zooms in or it zooms out. That's up to you. Another thing we can actually do is, maybe the volume of your video is too low, you can increase the volume right here, or you can decrease the volume, but I'm going to be leaving mine at the normal volume. You can also increase the speed, reduce the speed. There's also the freeze frame option. So if you want to freeze a particular part of the screen, just click on freeze, and then it freezes that clip. And so once we're done with the trimmings and adjustments and everything, the first thing we're going to try out is audio. So if you want to add an audio to your video, so you can click on, this is where you find all the free music that comes with VLLO. You can choose from all of this music, or you can import from iTunes, or you can use My Music. So maybe you downloaded a music to your phone or to your iCloud drive or whatever drive that you use. Then you can click on upload from file, and it's going to take you to iCloud drive, where you can find your files or your sounds. You can also extract from a video. So maybe there's a particular sound that you want and it's in a video that you saw somewhere. You can save the video and then click on extract. For example, if you need a TikTok sound of your video, click on extract from video, and then you can import the TikTok video that you want to use, and then the sound is extracted and the sound has been added to your video. So let's play it. So that's that. And then Or you can also add sound effects to your video as well. So maybe you want a particular sound effect, you can add that. And then you can do a voice. So maybe you want to do a voiceover like I'm doing right now. You can actually record a voice for it. And there's a sticker option as well. So there's motion stickers. So these are stickers that are animated and they move. You know, maybe want to prompt people to subscribe to your channel. You can use one of the subscribe stickers, which is really cool. Or the bell icon. If you want people to click on the bell icon, you can add that. There's so many more stickers. There's so many. So maybe for your vlogs, you can use the vlog ones. You know, the diary, emoticon, effect, shape, whatever you want to use. There's so many stickers that you can use. So for this video, we're going to be using the motion sticker and we're going to be using the subscribe button. So we want to tell people to subscribe to our channel. So there's so many different ones depending on your aesthetics. I'm just going to be using this one. I'm going to be using this subscribe button right here. And the first thing I want to do is add the sound. So if you also want to add the click, so because the sticker shows the click button, then you can add the click sound. So you go to sound effects and then we click on mouse click. So let me play that again for you guys to hear. So that's the sound. So once the sticker comes in, the sound plays as well. So you place them at the start. So as you can see, the sticker is at the start of the video. Then the sound needs to be on the same point as the sticker. So there's a sound up there and this is a sticker at the bottom. So they need to start at the same points so they can rhyme. So that's that. You can also if you want to animate the sticker, so you want to make it like, if you want to animate the sticker, you can now click on the sticker and then go to animation and then you can fade in, zoom out, slide right. It's up to you. So I'm going to be using zoom in, so it comes zoomed in. You can adjust the duration as well. So if you want it fast or slow, so I want it to be a bit slow, so I'm going to add it to 1 second. So it's just going to come like that. You can add an overall sticker as well, but I don't need that because the sticker is already animated. And if you want the sticker to leave the screen animated, then you can use zoom out. So you can zoom out. So let me show you. Zoom in and out. There you go. If you don't want to use the VLLO stickers, you can actually just save a video or green screen, you know those green screen subscribe button videos on YouTube. You can save one of them to your phone or just screen record them if you don't know how to save them, and then you can import them into the app. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So now we're going to import the green screen video into this video. So this is where we use the PIP option, which is picture in picture. So you click on PIP and then you can add in an image if you want to use an image. So maybe you want to talk about a particular picture or you want to show us something in a picture, then you can click on image, so import the image, or use a GIF or a GIF, I don't know, or video. So for this, we're going to be importing a video because we need the green screen video, right? So we're going to click on video and then we import the green screen video. So now we're going to get rid of the green in the background. So this is another really cool feature that VLLO has. So once you have that, you click on chroma key. So this is where you pick the color that you want to remove. So we're removing the green screen. Chroma key mainly works for green screens anyway. So, you can set it and adjust it to get rid of the green color. If you don't want the green color to show, we just get rid of the green color. We're using the chroma key, and there you have it. You have your subscribe button right there. So let me just adjust that and place it at the bottom of the screen where I want it to be. Oh. So there it is. So that's that one is done. If you don't want the sound to come in, because I realize this one has a sound in it, I'm just going to click on mute and that's it. So that's another way to turn up the sound. You can just click on mute to turn up the sound of your video. So there you have the sticker coming up. And the next one that we're going to be trying is text. So say you want to add a text like an intro or something. So there's 3 different options. There's the normal text, there's the labels, and there's a caption. So the caption has this really nice templates right here. The label as well has some really cool templates as well. So if you want to add like name tags and stuff to your video, These are really cool ones. And there's the normal text. So we're going to be using the normal text for this video. It also has really cool texts and captions. It has really cool like fonts and colors and stuff. So for this, we're going to be using this one just for the sake of this video. You can use any one you want. So let me just add some random title. So there you have it. You can also adjust the text, so you can change the font of the text. You can also import a font. So if you go to dafonts.com, find the fonts that you want to use, save it on your phone, and then save it to your iCloud. And then where it says file right here, click on the plus sign, and then you can now import the fonts from your iCloud drive. So that's another easy way to use like some nice fonts if you don't want to use the fonts that comes with the app. So these are the fonts that come with the app. There's some really nice fonts, to be honest. But these are some of the fonts I imported from dafonts.com. You can just use that. And if you want to change the color or the style, so if you want to change the, if you want to add an outline to it, if you want to change the color of the outline, you can do that. If you want to change the background color from white or plain, or you can remove the background, add some shadow, and yeah, and you can animate it as well. So if you want it to come in a certain way, you can animate it. So you can blur it in to come in like that. That's a really cute. That's a really cool way. That's a really cool animation. There you go. And there you have it. You have your text written right there, animated and nice and ready to go. It's to include your socials and stuff in your videos. So if you want to add like your Instagram name or your TikTok name, you now go back to sticker, click on motion sticker, click on SNS. So this is where the social media icons are. We're going to look for Instagram. So there's so many other ones. There's the YouTube logo, there's the Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and stuff. So you can use the black and white one or the colored one. I'm going to be using the colored one for the sake of this video. So place it where you want it to be on your video. So if you want it at the top, bottom, center, wherever. I want to add mine at the top. And then I have that. I'm just going to extend that for how long I want it to be. So we have that, and then you can animate it just to add some like nice effects to it. So I'm going to animate it to slide right. So it comes in from the right, slow it down a little bit. And then I'm going to drag this red line to where the clip starts, to where the sticker starts. And then without moving it, so you see it's starting here. I'm going to go to texts and then add a text. So I'm going to be using one of these nice templates for the text. Where is it? So let me use this winter blue, and then you add your Instagram username. Oops. There you go. And then extend it to the end as well, or extend it to where the sticker stops. So I'm just going to find the sticker. And then until now. So they start and stop at the same time. So I'm just going to move this up a little bit to here. So once that's done, I'm going to animate the text as well. So I'm going to use the same animation that I used for the sticker. So I used slide right, and then I increased the time a little bit so they can come in at the same time. So let me play it for you guys to see. There you go. You see how cool that is? So you can really do so many amazing things on this app. If you want to add a filter, you can, use the filters that come with the app. So many nice filters. I'm not using any of them. I don't need them. You can adjust it as well. So if you want to increase the brightness or the saturation, add a bit of color to your video with saturation. That's cool. I'm just going to increase the brightness a little bit. Go to vibrance, include that, increase that a bit. Temperature, and from the start to the end of the video, because I want the whole video to add the filter on. So there you have that. If you want to blur out a certain part of your video, so maybe there's something in your video that you want to blur out, you don't want people to see, then you click on mosaic, and then there you have it. You can change the size, or you can change the shape. So you can use the oval shape or the rectangular shape. So you can use a normal blur or you can use pixelate. So this one is sort of like does that pixelate type thing. So I'm going to be using the blur and oval because I want to blur out my mirror, for example. Now I'll reduce the strength because it's too harsh. I want it to look as natural as possible. So there's that. And you're done. So that's it. That's the part blurred out. So you have your text in, sound, your logo, everything is done. So that's basically like some of the really cool stuff that you can do using VLLO app. And then once you're done editing your video, you can now click on save. And then you can change the resolution to whichever one you want. So obviously 4K is the highest, Ultra HD. Or you can reduce it to 1080p, which is high quality. If you want a very high quality one, or the 4K, I usually send my videos in 4K because I love very high quality videos. And then you click on export. And then your video will export. It might take a while to export considering the quality of it, but once it's done, you're going to get a sound. Just make sure you don't close the app as you're saving your video. So there you have it, guys. Like I said earlier, you don't need a very extensive app or software or even a laptop for you to be able to edit a very good quality and amazing video for your YouTube channel. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you found it really useful, and I hope you're going to be creating some really cool videos using this tutorial. If you're not following me on Instagram, please kindly follow me on Instagram. My name is going to be on the screen right there. So there you're going to be finding some of my really cool videos that I create and some other amazing content that I create on Instagram as well. Make sure that you're subscribed and you click the like button if you like this video. Also comment your favorite apps below. So if you have any favorite apps that you use for your video editing or whatever hacks that you have, please comment below. We're eager and excited to see what apps that you use and what tips you use for your videos. Anyway, guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Have a great day or night or whatever time you're watching this video. Bye. Mwah.